Hi, my name is Nikita. Welcome to this journey through science. Today we are going to explore an exciting topic in our course, Digital Futures and Green Frontiers. Our focus today is on biotechnology and life sciences. In this session, we'll discover what biotechnology is, how it works, and how it impacts our world, from medicine and food to ethics and careers. Life sciences are about understanding living things, plants, animals, and humans. In this chapter, we'll mix biology with technology to see how we can create better solutions. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation in biotech and see how you can be part of it too. Foundations of biotechnology. Biotechnology means using living organisms to make things we need, like medicines or improved crops. It's not new. People have used it for thousands of years to ferment food or breed animals. But today, it's much more advanced. Scientists can now design DNA and even edit genes. This foundation helps us understand how life works and how we can use that knowledge to solve problems. Molecular biology basics. Molecular biology studies the tiniest parts of life: DNA, RNA, and proteins. Every cell in your body has DNA, which carries instructions. These instructions are copied into RNA, which helps build proteins. Proteins are like little machines that do all the work in our bodies. Understanding this flow, from DNA to RNA to proteins, is key in biotechnology. DNA structure and function. DNA looks like a twisted ladder, also called a double helix. It carries the instructions to make everything in your body. The steps of the ladder are made of base pairs, which match in a special way: A with T and C with G. When cells divide or make proteins, they read these codes. It's like having a recipe book inside every cell. Gene expression. Gene expression is how your body turns DNA instructions into proteins. First, the gene is copied into messenger RNA, mRNA. Then the mRNA is used to build proteins at tiny factories called ribosomes. Not all genes are used all the time. Your body decides which ones to turn on or off. This process is controlled very carefully. Recombinant DNA technology. This is where things get really cool. Scientists can cut and paste DNA from one organism into another. This creates recombinant DNA. For example, bacteria can be engineered to produce insulin for diabetics. We use enzymes and small DNA circles called plasmids to do this. It's like editing the code of life. PCR, polymerase chain reaction. PCR is a method to copy DNA quickly. It takes a small DNA sample and makes millions of copies in a few hours. This is useful for diagnosing diseases or solving crimes. The machine heats and cools the sample repeatedly. It's a tool used in almost every biotech lab today. Gel electrophoresis. Gel electrophoresis is used to sort DNA pieces by size. Scientists place DNA in a gel and apply electricity. Smaller pieces move faster through the gel. This helps us see which DNA fragments are present. It's used in research, testing, and even criminal investigations. Bioinformatics. Bioinformatics is where computers meet biology. Scientists use software to study huge amounts of genetic data. This helps find disease genes or understand evolution. Computers can also help design new medicines. It's a growing field that needs both biology and coding skills. Applications in medicine biotech is saving lives. We can now create custom drugs for each patient. Gene therapy tries to fix faulty genes. Vaccines like the COVID-19 ones are made using biotech. Scientists are even trying to grow organs in labs. It's all about using biology to heal. Applications in agriculture. Farmers use biotech to grow stronger crops. Some plants are made resistant to pests, so fewer chemicals are needed. Others can survive droughts or poor soil. This helps produce more food using fewer resources. It also helps the environment by reducing pollution. Biotech in diagnostics. Biotech helps doctors find diseases early. Tools like PCR and ELISA detect viruses and bacteria quickly. It's also used to monitor patients and track disease outbreaks. Accurate diagnosis leads to better treatment. Fast results can save lives. Ethical issues. Biotech raises many ethical questions. Should we edit baby genes to choose traits? Who should see your DNA data? What about animals used in research? These are tough topics. Scientists and society must work together to make responsible choices. Genetic testing. Genetic testing reads your DNA to find health risks. It can help you plan your life and stay healthy, but it can also reveal things you may not want to know. Some people worry about privacy and discrimination. It's a powerful tool with serious responsibilities. Cloning debates. Cloning means making a copy of something. It can be a gene, a cell, or even an animal. Some people see it as a way to cure diseases or grow organs. Others think it could lead to ethical problems. This debate is ongoing and important. Careers in biotechnology. If you love science, biotech could be your future. You can work in labs to discover new treatments or help create eco-friendly products. There are jobs in hospitals, agriculture, and even space science. The possibilities are endless. Genetic engineering careers. Want to design life? Genetic engineers edit genes to improve health and crops. They also work on cutting-edge tools like CRISPR. It's a fast-growing field. You'll need strong science skills and a love for innovation. Computational biology careers. Do you enjoy computers and biology? This is the perfect combo. You can use AI to find new drugs or study how cells work. Computational biologists handle big data to solve big problems. It's a 21st century career with huge impact. Biotech in everyday life. Biotech is everywhere. It's in the food we eat, the medicines we take, and the air we breathe. It helps clean water, preserve food, and protect nature. You may not see it, but it's part of your daily life. That's why understanding it matters. Summary and way forward. You've learned a lot today: how DNA works, what biotech tools do, and how this science is changing the world. From medicine to farming, it's helping people live better lives. But we must also think about ethics and use it wisely. Stay curious, keep exploring, and who knows, you might be the next biotech innovator.